There's a new update in the video game, and behind me you can see it's Among Us from the hit game Among Us. Yeah, and they didn't add much from when I made the video in the lab version, but I got a new bundle, and I'm gonna buy it. Okay, guys, I'm gonna buy the bundle. It's gonna be super cool. The coolest bundle in the game. I think it's the coolest. Okay. Confirm. Wait, I'm not supposed to say that. Whatever. Okay. Oh, wait. Yay, wait, party! Hooray! Yahoo! I made it onto the camera! Yeah! Yay! Hooray! How excited! Yeah, dance party! I'm so excited. Oh no, it's drinking, and pretty fun. Key. And it came with a new thing, a new gizmo, a new gadget. Where is it? It's in the musical items for some reason. It's this radiation gun thing. Along with that, they got the radiation bomb. Which we're gonna go to the roof where we can test that out. We're on the roof, guys. Hooray! And we got crap, that's the wrong thing. Got the radiation. This is the height limit. I completely forgot. So we got the bomb and the radiation detector. It's not making any radiation, but then you can see it's going up. Because it's going up. Look at it. It's so cool. So cool. Cool, it's going up. See the radiation. And then when the radiation effect ends, it won't go anymore. But then now we can irradiate ourselves. Look, now I'm green. And I make like zombie noises. And I can, yeah, it's fun. And you get like a speed boost. Yeah, I completely forgot to tell you guys what the radiation bomb actually does. It destroys furniture. Watch, it slowly destroys my furniture. And then it's also radioactive. Nice. I'm gonna go new map. I'm gonna go new map now. But wait, I gotta check out the bundle. Silly Billy, me. I'm so silly, I guess. Okay, here we go. We gotta go here. And then we got the mask. Wait a minute. Is this Among Us? Is this Among Us, guys? Is this Among Us? Yes, it is Among Us. It's Among Us in Yeeps. Now we're gonna check out the map because it's funky.
Bro, where do you get that? Where do you get that?
Wait, bro, what the?
Where do I get what?
Bro, they have sticky radioactive bomb?
that.
Oh my god, this is sick. Can I have a gun ding?
Got it, I
A
got
gun
it.
thing?
Got it.
Yeah, I call it a
I
gun
know,
Put
ding.
it on.
so
I want to
cool.
see what it looks like.
Yeah, gun ding's so cool, guys.
Yeah, I love the gun thing. Bro,
We're
can you
gun
imagine
ding on
one
the
of my
tech lab. I don't know where
favorite
gun. There's a steering wheel!
Can you get that? Cars, it's true. It's not cool.
Yeah, I didn't know.
Bro,
Have the gun from it.
there's a steering wheel.
Yo, what the? Guys, how do you get the red?
There's been.
Retracting spikes. That
Okay,
okay,
yeah,
bro.
got
I'm
it.
done.
I will give you a
Oh,
surfboard if
that
you give me the
actually
gun.
Give
you a
What do I do with the extra money? Oh,
I
I know.
already
Yeah,
have
cool.
surfboards. I don't need one.
How do you guys get the red?
Skibby
You
Toilet.
have the gun.
Skibby Toilet.
I didn't have a 6.
Kermit.
and then a 2, and then a
Kermit.
3,
Oh
and
my
a
god.
4,
No,
and a
never mind.
5,
I didn't say
10,
anything.
11. And that should be the right number, bro.
I was going to talk to you, but I remembered. You don't have your clan. Who's going to talk to me? You don't have your clan, so you're not Kermit. You're right.
Bro, you look fine.
Goofy.
Yo,
David.
What
Yo, look, let's gas him. Oh, wait, we can't do that.
the heck?
Oh, hey, you lab rat?
Hopping on Fortnite.
That's
with
cool.
the-
Hey, I got a question. How do you become lab rat?
Here, just get the radioactivity. You just got radioactivity. You're radioactive. Yo, I have the Skibby Toilet. Where is it? Where? I got the Skibby Toilet. No way. No, wait, is that the right thing? Oh yeah, that is the right thing. Skibidi. Yeah, guys, this is my new outfit. This is my new outfit for the rest of the year. Skibidi Toilet! Skibidi Toilet!
Maybe do a little
Kermit, do you like my new outfit? Do you like my new outfit?
I love the new outfit.
My friend, you on VR too.
I know you did.
It's Kermit, guys, it's Kermit.
Do you think that's
Hello!
I'm not getting down here.
Yeah, say hello to the 14
go
people
into
who subscribe to me.
Go
You're
into
one of them.
code.
Hello, 14 people who subscribe.
Yo,
Go
Kermit.
into code bait.
Yo, wait, guys.
YouTube.
Guys, there was a prank. Guys, there was a prank.
Hello, Toby.
Guys, what's in here? What's in here?
My Skibidi Toilet.
So don't you?
Hey, Hamilton, bro.
I like wasabi.
I don't like being in
Give me few, give me five, give me double genocide.
What the heck? What the
One more
heck?
drink,
With
I'ma
little
pass
daddle.
out.
With little
We're about to
do.
knock off
One
my
more
paper.
drink, I'ma pass out.
My radioactive gun is going wild from the from the sigma meter.
Oh, God, you're radioactive.
Your sigma meters are off the chart.
You want radioactive? Oh, yo, monkey looking ass.
I'm sorry, guys. I would like to make a.
I bought a new pack.
Yo, guys, we got a party. We got a party.
Party!
We got a party, dude.
Who bought the pack?
We got a party. I love parties. Oh, dance. Radioactivity.
Help me, no.
Oh, my party's going away. Oh, that was fun. That was a nice one. Yeah, guys, so that was a new update in Yeeps. So that was a new update in Yeeps hiding oil, because they added oil. Epilepsy safety. And I got epilepsy safety off. No epilepsy, yeah.